Good afternoon and welcome to Daily Stock Market Update. The DACX sustained its gaining streak for the second consecutive day, gaining 29.35 points or 0.48% and settled at 6,112 points. Market turnover was BDT 8.38 billion, which is an increase of 30.95% compared to the previous trading day. Beximco and Walton from the industrial sector, IFIC Bank, Bragg Bank, Citibank and National Bank from the banking sector, and ICB, IDLC Finance, IPDC Finance and Bangladesh Finance from the NBFI sector mainly pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the general insurance sector registered the highest gain of 3.84%, while the tannery sector posted the second highest gain of 2.5%. On the other hand, the telecom sector registered the highest loss of 0.66%. 13 general insurance companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Sonar Bangla Insurance, Kotuli Textile and Phoenix Finance First Mutual Fund registered the highest gain, while Shampoo Sugar Mills, Rainwick Jajneshare and Legacy Footwear were the top losers. Sonar Bangla Insurance is scheduled to have its Board of Directors meeting on 28th of July, and investors' high earnings expectation may have caused the stock price to increase. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Zahin Tex Industries, Square Textile and Meghna Insurance increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There is no publicly disclosed material reason for the volume increase of these stocks. Today's top 2 news. The local currency has depreciated 11% against the US dollar in the past year. Exporters are expected to benefit from this situation as they can offer more competitive prices in the global market. Most of the industries dependent on imported raw materials cannot reap this benefit as the cost of the raw materials has skyrocketed as well. Industries such as jute, ceramic, leather goods, agro-processing, vegetables, fish and fruits are enjoying this more than others as raw materials are sourced locally and retain export earnings almost 100%. Such industries need support from the government, which might include low-cost loans and bonded warehouse. Oven garment export retention is around 40%, which largely affects total retention by garment export, which currently stands at 65%. Imports showed a declining trend for the second consecutive month as letter of credit settlements amounted to $6.79 billion in June, declining by more than 6% month-on-month. The central bank imposed strict regulations on opening letters of credit for luxury imports items to ease the pressure on the forex reserve. Besides, banks are less interested to open letters of credit due to the supply crunch of greenbacks, while incurring losses in import letter of credit payments as they are having to buy dollars at high rates but are having to sell them at the same price or lower. Even though the central bank will continue to intervene in the forex market to tame its volatility, the crisis may persist as export orders for garment products have recently plunged by 30% due to global inflation, while remittances are still in a downtrend. That's all for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.